this is the Lamond gift set, one of them that we carry. It has the bath foam inside this little tin here, the luxurious bath foam. This is the scent Spruce. Something that a lot of people don't know is that this tin is actually food safe. So you can fill it with whatever little treats or teas that you want. Yeah, cook Christmas cookies.
Biscotti.
Yeah, so it's kind of two gifts in one. You get the bath foam, and it's nice because you don't have to use all of the bath foam before you use the tin, because you can just pop it right out.
So leave it to the Italians to come up with this amazing packaging, right? The beautiful products are amazing. Alex and I, our buyer, track this brand, and I don't know too many places you can get this. And it's very reasonably priced. It's vegan, gluten-free, not tested on animals.
Rich in almond oil, which is kind of their whole thing. Lamond means almond.
Yeah. Trentino spruce and Swiss pine.
Well, you can use it as a bubble bath or a body wash.
Correct.
Mi piace. Tutti I prodotti.
I mean, all year round we sell men's grooming products, but is this still a trend to grow beard? That there for a while it was.
I think mustaches are definitely in. That's for
Mustaches
sure.
It's No Shave November.
We sold other people grooming kits. We came up with our own kit, and we knew what we wanted. We knew what's the best out there. So Credo is a brand of implements that we carry: pedicure, manicure, nail, scissors, and all the files. And we have a beautiful selection of corn slicers and corn reducers. Yeah, but anyway, so Credo is known. So we had them create scissors for us, made in Germany. The pouch is made by them for us as well. Kent, English brand of combs, made this comb for us.
Handmade.
Handmade. Wow, handmade. And then this brush was also made for us in Germany with our logo on it, Q logo. For those who have beards and mustaches, and this has become a big hit for us. You know, guys generally don't go out and buy themselves this kind of gift. So this might be a good idea for people in your life who have a mustache or comb or dad or brother.
We also sell those individually for $10.
Yeah, exactly. Good idea. I know we're going to run out of these, so better order quickly.
Get it while it's hot.
Underberg is our #1 revenue producer in our store, in our business. Huge sales.
We sell it in crates.
Crates, yeah. So Underberg is 40-some% alcohol with bitter herbs. So the idea is that when you overeat or overdrink, you need to drink one of these because it has bitter herbs and alcohol. So it pushes the gallbladder to produce more bile and break up the fats. So if you overate and had a lot of things with butter or heavy meal, we usually at our dinner table put one of these at every place setting so that everybody that gets done eating can take this, and immediately you feel like, you know what, I don't feel so heavy anymore, because this starts to work immediately and starts digestive process, kicks in high gear. It comes in 3-pack, a 12-pack, 30-pack, 60-pack, and 120-pack.
Of the little bottles.
All these bottles,
and this is
yeah.
one serving, right?
Yeah, this is one serving. You drink the whole bottle, and we get people buying cases of 120 all day long.
I know every time my stepdad says, I need that Underberg, send me the Underberg.
Little tidbit, in Germany or in German bars in Chicagoland area, all you need to do is to make this sign like this, and they'll know you need an Underberg.
I didn't know this.
Yeah, they used to have a sign there at Hüttenbar, maybe they still do, but in Germany, for sure, I know, you just say this to the bartender, he'll know you need an Underberg.
I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna go across the street. I'm kidding.
As usual, I think we're coming to the end of this video, and I would ask that you do the same thing that you've been doing. Give me great reviews, thumbs up so I don't lose my job.
So if you go to our website, smallflower.com/holiday, you can check out all of our curated gift guides for all of your gifting needs, curated by our staff. And if you're in Chicago, stop on by and we can help you at 4716 North Lincoln.
Or order online, smallflower.com.
If you don't want to enter the store this holiday season, order online and it'll be waiting for you at the register.
Give our customer service a call. They'll be happy to help you or connect you with an associate that can give you the best advice for your holiday gifting needs.
Happy smiles and the wishes, and I wanted